Good morning, everybody. It is about 7:30 right now, and the kids are all still sleeping, but I do need to get them up here pretty soon. But I'm having a quiet moment, enjoying my coffee. So the day that I'm filming this is actually August 31st. So it is the day before my September reset starts. So I did a whole video on a Wellness Wednesday about what I'm doing for September and how I'm kind of challenging myself to just kind of go back to the basics of what I know makes me feel good as far as food. Also, of course, continue with my exercise commitment. That's something I've gotten more consistent with, which I'm very happy about. So continue that and then couple it with just getting my diet back to the basics, what I know makes me feel good, cut out the stuff that, it doesn't hurt me too bad, but it doesn't always make me feel my best. And so just kind of trying to clean things up, for lack of a better term, and just see how I feel. So I am actually enjoying my last cup of coffee with heavy cream this morning because starting tomorrow, I'm going to be cutting out dairy, all dairy except for butter. And so that, of course, includes my heavy cream. So I will be going back to my MCT oil powder, which I do really enjoy. So it's not going to be too painful, but I do really love that heavy cream. So I'm enjoying this last cup of coffee here. And I'm just going to bring you along on a vlog today. We're going to go do our hike this morning. We do that usually once a week with our little homeschool group. And apparently it's fall all of a sudden. It was, 100 degrees a week or so ago. And then now, I'm looking outside and it's overcast and raining. And it's hoodie weather. All of a sudden, like the pumpkin spice latte came back to Starbucks and fall arrived. So not complaining. It's kind of nice and it's not too cold yet. And the rain isn't like a lot of rain. It's enough rain that it's actually really nice and enjoyable. So it is supposed to rain on our hike today, so we're going to deal with that, but hopefully it won't be too bad. And like I said, it's not going to be very cold, so that's the worst, when it's rainy and cold at the same time. So anyways, we're going to do that, and I am just going to bring you along on the day and my last day to kind of work through anything in the fridge that I need to eat up before the start of my challenge. I don't really have much to eat up. The only thing I do need to make sure that I do is I have some goodies from Keto Cracked. They sent me some of their cheesecake bites, new product that they're offering. And obviously cheesecake bites have dairy in them. So I am going to make sure to get those tasted on this video and enjoy those. I'll try to get a couple of the girls to try some as well. They have eggs, so Levi can't taste them for us, but we'll do that little taste test. I got to get that in before I swear off the dairy. So I mixed up this sausage the other day. I got a two reduced packages of beef and pork mix, and I just mixed it all up into sausage, seasoning. And then I do have a recipe video for that, a very old one, so I'll put that up in the cards. But I just made it into like 2-ounce balls, and so now I'm gonna cook it up real quickly, some of it at least, so that the kids can have some good healthy protein before we leave for our hike. We do have to leave pretty quick, so I'm just trying to cook up a few of these and get the kids fed real fast. They're off doing their chores. Got to take care of the animals before we leave, all of that stuff.
These ones I use for hikes, but that's my boots. I don't use my hikes for hikes.
You don't need boots for hiking?
Yeah,
You just need your old shoes?
What?
There you are.
That's me.
Yeah.
Can you send one each to Dad?
You want to send the pictures to Dad?
Yeah.
Okay. Smile.
Only like one of each.
One of each? Okay, smile. Love it. Love it. Go ahead.
No. I did it.
Good job.
Mom, I found the perfect spot.
To hide from the rain?
What?
To hide from the rain?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Send it to Dad.
Oh, okay.
Cute. Oh, it's so cute. It's really slow.
It's really slow?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not running away too fast. That ended up being way wetter than we expected. We are all soaked. Even though we're soaked, we're still stopping at Costco because Renee's new glasses are ready for pickup. So we couldn't wait. Super important. I did not expect to be coming in completely soaking wet, but hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. What do you think of those new glasses?
Like them.
Yeah, you look so grown up. We are back from our hike and from Costco. Renee has her new glasses that just look so beautiful on her. And I thought this would be a good time for a treat. So I am going to taste these cheesecake bites from Keto Cracked. They have like a new bakehouse section on their website. And so we tried some muffins recently, and then they also have these cheesecake bites. We have cookies and cream and pumpkin spice, I believe this one was. So Levi can't taste them because they do have eggs, but I'll see if maybe some of the girls want to try some. So there is. It is sweetened with allulose. It has Greek yogurt and cream cheese, of course, and then various other things. It's got a nice thick crust on there. All right, get in a taste. It's not like overly sweet, which is a good thing for some people. Other people like, you know, the super sweet. The spice is really nice in this one. Definitely got a strong like ginger. Just nice spice. It almost tastes like the crust like a gingerbread cookie or something. You can't go wrong with cheesecake. I always say cheesecake is my favorite keto dessert because it's just so easy to make keto. You want to try it? Try the pumpkin spice?
Yeah.
I think this one's really good. Here, come over here so you can be in the video. There you are. Look at you with your beautiful new glasses. She went back to lavender. She had dark purple, then she had light purple, and then I think you had pink, right? Or was it like a pinky light purple?
Yeah, I think so. Then the teal.
And then you had the blue. It was like light blue.
Yeah.
And then now you're back to purple.
Yeah.
Okay. I always remember her when she got her very first glasses. They were dark purple. Oh my gosh. It was just the cutest thing. Cutest thing you ever saw. What do you think?
Tastes fine.
It's fine?
Too good.
Not the best, but fine. I think it's got a nice spice flavor. Okay, you want to try the cookies and cream? Yeah, that sounds pretty good, huh? Okay,
I love
here we
cookies
go.
and cream.
Me too. There's cookies and cream. It looks, you know, it's not like cream white with cookies in it. It's like chocolate all the way through, so can't go wrong with that.
Yeah.
And it's
Looks
got
more
that
like-
nice crust there. It looks more like what?
Chocolate. Just chocolate.
Just
flavor.
chocolate? Yeah, okay. Almost feels like there's too much crust. Like I'd like more of the creamy cheesecake, but it's not bad.
It tastes delicious.
You like that one?
Yeah.
All right. Chocolate for the win over the pumpkin spice. delicious. So I do have a coupon code for Keto Cracked. I don't make any money off of it, but it does get you a little bit of a discount if you do order. These are premium price for quality products. And by far our favorite thing from them is the candy. Like that is what is like top notch. And like the Butterfinger bars, they're not called Butterfinger bars. They're called, what are they called? Peanut caramel crunch bars in all the different flavors. Oh my gosh, so good. So good. And we always say, if you're gonna just pick one thing, pick those. But if you want to explore the new stuff, that's always fun as well. So you like the pumpkin spice caramel crunch bar the best, but you didn't like the pumpkin spice cheesecake the best.
Yeah.
And you didn't like the, was it a pumpkin spice? Yeah, warming pumpkin spice muffin. You didn't like that one the best either.
Yeah.
So.
I didn't like the muffins that much. They were fine. These are better.
Okay, cheesecake, better than muffins, but candy is on top always. Right? Yeah. Okay. There's our review.